Alrighty. Oh my god, it's been a while since we've bloody done one of these. I tell you what, mate. There's been so much going on. I can't even remember how to vlog. I'm back on the vlog life. And I'm wearing these for the whole video. Jesus Christ. You can't see a thing. Yeah, exactly. See what I mean? That's how good my parents' vision is. Rightio, so the last 3 months or so have been pretty hectic. What have I been doing? Went to Thailand, went and saw Drake, went to Sydney, saw Dylan Joel. There's someone else in there. Got a new phone. Falls, that was a good one. Yeah, so this is basically just first half of summer clips from the phone. This year I did actually write a goal down that I wanted to make one video at least once a month to post on YouTube. Monthly is pretty good because it means it's just a big compilation of all of everything. Let's just make this a pre-summer. It's the interlude, basically. It's the warm-up, it's the intro. Just building you up. I released a video a couple of weeks ago about, it was my year, 2017, my year. It was just basically a recap of the whole year. It's probably one of the best things I've ever made. If you haven't watched it, definitely watch that before you watch this, because this is gonna be nothing compared to that. Pause the video now and go watch that other one. I'll put the link top of the description. Yeah, sit back, enjoy this one. Crack a beer if you got one. Strap yourselves in. Put your seatbelt on. You're gonna love this, mate. It's gonna be bloody beautiful. Catch you at the end. Wait. Wait, you're scared.
Charcoal fucking toothbrush.
We go.
Yeah, we out here. Harbourlife gonna get that.
Say hi.
Can we get a good one? A good one?
You got a friend in me.
Drinking every night, cause we drinking fine conditions. Stay way too long. I know in that island rain, that can only be one thing. You to the press, give me another one tonight, I'm ready.
Fuck, wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you. Knock, knock, open up the door and spray.
No, they're nice, don't worry.
That's a good one, man.
He's just looking at your hand like, what's this?
Winning shot.
Vlog, you're the vlog, you're the fucking vlog. Pretty slow,
No, that's not right. That's really shit, man. $80. No, that's a rip-off. $80, man. Rip-off, mate. That's not.
Go on.
Thanks for the shirt.
What?
There you go.
We don't need no fake magic. Ain't being funny. You can buy this with paper or plastic. Money.
It's kind of cool.
Wait, Carrie, you're in the vlog.
Harry, now you have to do something. That's your cue to do something.
Neck your drink.
It says your name.
Neck your drink. Neck your drink.
Neck it. Neck it. You have to. Oh my, Carrie, like this. Neck it. Neck it.
Oh! Oh!
I'm sorry, I can't leave myself.
Gary, remember when you were good at necking drinks? Yeah,
No, it's like angles, it's very subtle.
Carrie, you're in the vlog.
One vlog.
You're in the vlog.
Genuinely do something good for once, Gary. Oh, now you're in the vlog.
Wait, shoot us a wink.
Oh, do something cool.
He's already joined. He's
I'm
taking
not
a
being serious or not.
right next to our fucking campsite. What a weapon. No! Wait, Charlotte, you're in the vlog. You're in the vlog.
Charlie, you're in the vlog.
We're good to go. We're good to go.
You motherfucker.
Ow! I got so much alcohol at me. Ow!
You got one more in there.
Writing a song about yourselves.
Go for the vlog.
Go for the vlog. Go for the vlog, is
So,
that?
shout out. This is Glit.
Did it for the vlog.
Wait, edit it so it makes this.
Get in your mouth again.
Say it again, Tom.
Yeah.
That's good for footy, that's what we want. Up we go, come on, don't be small, come on. Let's go, mate, wait. Come on, That's an anti-climax. Do it again. That's that was shit house.
Oh, okay. Fuck them up. There you go. Laura, you're in the vlog.
Oh,
Whoa.
I'm really awkward.
Do it. Don't you do it?
One more.
Here.
And me just being your high school.
Do it for the vlog.
Damn, that hurt us so much. Where did it go? I don't know.
Nailed it.
Very sorry. Go somewhere. Can you get a photo?
I am the one.
Oh, yes. Get it.
Vlog.
Tell him.
Oh, that's great. Vlog life. Gang. You're in the vlog life. You're with JB.
Open the fucking car right now.
Once or twice.
Open it.
I'll hit your dad.
Fuck, he doesn't have anything in his drink. Check on the car.
Follow Sean. Wait.
Why are you doing it? Why are you fucking condom drinker?
How's your condom filled drink?
Good.
How good's all day?
Hey Locke, how do you spell silk?
S-I-L-K.
What do cows drink? You? I fucking don't know. How do you spell silk? What? How do you spell silk?
S-I-L-K.
What do cows drink?
Milk.
What?
So much fun, like once you get.
Thank you very much for watching this episode of Play by Play. I hope you enjoyed it. I will actually see you next month, hopefully, with a new video. Hold me to it.